In this video, footstools are made for the bedroom and terrace. To start the process, 1/4 inch round dowel was divided into 4 pieces, then each end carved to create stylish legs. Classic caramel is applied to the bottom of the round footstool. Pink Parfait is applied to the bottom and legs of the second footstool. The round footstool is now covered. A covered button is sewn to the cushion. The cardboard bottom is glued to the cushion. Since you've seen me upholster countless pieces and installed legs, let's move on to attaching the skirt. Using silk thread, a single running stitch is sewn along the top for a gather. The end is knotted to hold the gathers. Using my clover iron, I'm pressing down the fullness in the skirt. In my spare time, this matching footstool was made, so let's move on to the last. To give the stool a finished look, a ribbon is put along the perimeter. To complete the stool, it's accented with bows. I hope you enjoyed this installment of the Deluxe Reading Dream Build project, and if so, like, comment, and share. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. If this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome to you as well, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.